Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can do or conduct a search within your sheets on Smartsheet, for example, to find a specific expression, term, or a value inside your data in your sheets. So let us dive right into it. So head over to your sheet on Smartsheet. Let me go with this untitled one here. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the table view here. Select your table view. And here to the right, you will see that magnifying glass, find in sheets. So you may click into it or use the shortcut Control F. That is going to open up that field here. So here you may simply enter the search term, like for example, I don't know, let us go with progress, because you would like to filter out any entries with in progress status. So press enter. And that is going to filter out any results or entries with the given search term in it, for example, here in that column under status. And that's it. That's how you use the search feature here on Smartsheet. You may also navigate through these entries by clicking into these arrows to the left or to the right, or simply remove the search term by clicking into X here to clear it. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.